How to use WhatsApp on Android. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can use the WhatsApp on your Android device. So if you want to use the WhatsApp on your Android device, which is a straightforward process, so here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First of all, you have to download and install the WhatsApp. First of all, go and open up your Google Play Store and search for the WhatsApp here. Once you have access with the WhatsApp, you have to install this on your device. So if you have already installed this, if there is any update available, make sure to update up your app. Once the WhatsApp has been successfully installed on your device, you have to open the app once it is installed. So once you have opened up your WhatsApp here, you have to tap on the agree and continue to accept the terms and policy. And after that, you have to select your country here from the drop down menu, and you can also to write your country code here. And after that, you have to write your phone number, and after that, go for the next option to confirm your number. After that, go for the next option. Once you have write your number, just go for the next option. And here you have to tap on the S option, and then the verification code will be sent to your phone number there, and you have to write your code here on your you have to write your code, so the verification code will be sent to your roster number. After entering the code, you can set up your profile and add your name and you can add your name. So you have to follow the on-screen instruction. So this is the simple step how you can use the WhatsApp on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.